Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Yo guys, what an intense episode. Aibo umakhumalo waze wayenza indaba by this one word delusional. Aibo guys, this delusional word, I just think umakhumalo at this point, she just needs to apologize because yay, this delusional word does not sit right with Umayeni. And this episode, guys, she was pissed. You know what, guys? I honestly believe that there's no woman who has been married for years who wakes up and decides which she's going to disrespect her husband or speak somehow to her husband. At times, it's the men, the stuff that they do that end up making these women seem as if they're delusional. So Musa needs to look at Umayeni and look back at the Mayeni that he once knew. And if truly there's a difference in there, then he should say, Utiyazi, maybe I should take accountability that this woman is the way she is because of the stuff that I've done, because of the things that I've said to her, the stuff that I've hurt her with, because Hayumayeni was pissed this episode. Manjage Umusage, what was that thing he was saying that all of his wives are delusional? One thing about Umusa, guys, he will shoot himself in the foot because this delusional thing, you could have easily spoke to Umakhumalo Akolise ngayo. You could have easily not used that word again. Even this thing yokuthi abahamba isosala sincenga, till now people are still using that statement. He should have just apologized for it and leave it like that. Now he's busy saying ukuthi all of his wives are delusional. Next season uzoyimela lento ayifanayo, lento ayishoyo. So he normally says things in his diary sessions and then it causes a big commotion. So just refrain from calling your wives these wordings and these terms that you know very well will not sit well with them. Now, guys, there's something I want to talk about. Guys, if you don't know, there's an episode that's going to be playing, the last episode that's going to be playing at 9:30, which we are waiting for. Probably you listening to this and it's past 9:30. But anyway, there's something that I'm just like, nah, Mselegu Umakhumalo does not deserve this. So remember, Mselegu is worked up because he's coming from Umayeni's house where Umayeni told him off. You can see Uti is not okay. Now, I don't know why he went to Umayeni before the meeting, that dinner he had, because he knows ukuthi yena noMayeni, they always have into yabo. So he could have went the next day, because after he left lo mhlangano, he was irritated, and I low-key feel ukuthi uMusa went into the dinner with the other three ladies with all of these emotions because already uShibase umdinile, right? So anyway, we see snippets of this next episode that's going to come where Umakhumalo is like, you can listen when I'm Musa, you can listen to everyone except for me. Then uMusa then says that yazi when uyafana noShibase because awunginikezi ithuba lokuthi ngikhulume. How? Why are you bringing up that year at this dinner? Then uNokuzana uMakhumalo then says ukuthi ngeke ngakwenza urubbish njengoba ungenza wona manje. Have I ever treated you like rubbish the way you treating me like rubbish manje? We just say uMusa saying to like and then uTobile is like nah, like you can't be saying that. uMusa's like nithe thula, and we see uMakhumalo saying ukuthi ungakhulumi nami kanjalo. Guys, I was disappointed. I did not like, if anyone, guys, out of all the wives, I've always said one thing that we need to give to Umakhumalo. No matter how mad she is at Umusa, she has never, or according to me, she has never disrespected him. She knows how to compose herself, her tone. She'll always make sure she remains respectful. So I don't think it's fair for Umusa to come from Ushibase's house because he's angry and then azopodlela kuMakhumalo or azopodlela on the other wives. Yo, guys, that was not fair. That's why I'm saying Wuti, he should have went to the dinner and then went to and see uShibase the next day because he knows ukuthi uShibase unengqondo yakhe. There was no way he was going to convince uShibase to come to that dinner. I'm even thinking ukuthi maybe there's going to be a fancy dinner or something like that. Yidina noma yimeeting lena angazi, because I'm just like, are we not supposed to come and eat here and enjoy something? So why manje so khuluma inkinga? Anyway, let's park it right there, guys. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.